Hi, my name is Ali Novak, and today we're going to talk about how to add a new subscriber into your email list inside of MailingBoss. So I'm going to show you how to take a new subscriber, one of your leads, and how to add that new subscriber into your email list inside of MailingBoss. And make sure you stay tuned to the very end, because I'm going to show you how you can have unlimited subscribers, unlimited email marketing forever. So this is basically a tutorial on how to add a new subscriber to an email list. So let's say that you were using one of Builderall's lead capture pages to capture leads, and you did not create the email list beforehand. Here I already have the email list created. This is already done. So I'm gonna make another video on how to create an email list later on. So stay tuned for that. But right now I'm just gonna show you how to add a new subscriber manually. This way, if you didn't create the email list, you know how to add the subscriber manually. Okay, so right now I'm inside someone else's back office inside of Builderall. So what you want to do is you want to take your leads that you have created here and you want to add them to your email list. So what you want to do is you want to click on this options button here, and you want to save it to an email list that you have already created. Now, I'm going to make another video on how to create an email list, so just stay tuned for that. But this is basically if you're using one of Builderall's lead capture pages to capture the leads and you didn't create the list beforehand. So you're manually adding the new subscriber to that email list. So if you have a lot of leads, what you want to do is you want to download this CSV file, and you want to take that list, and if you want to do a bulk transfer of your leads, you have to send a support ticket to Builderall, and you have to basically tell them where you got those leads from and work that out with them, and they will help you do a bulk import. You can no longer do a bulk import of your leads due to the laws from the European Union. So legally you can't do a bulk import of your leads. So if you want to do a bulk import of your leads, then you have to basically create a support ticket inside of Builderall, and you have to work it out with them, and they will help you do that. So just do that if you have a lot of leads. Okay, so what you want to do is basically you want to click on options. You want to save your list of leads to an email list that you have already created. Now I already have this saved to a list, so I'm not going to save it. I'm not going to do that. But that's basically what you would do. You would click save. Okay, so basically what you do is next, after you've already saved your leads to a list, what you want to do is you want to go to your email list here that you created, and you want to click on this button right here, add the subscriber, and then you want to click create new, and you want to put the person's name here, and you want to put their email, and then you want to click on this drop down right here, and you want to click confirm, and then you want to hit save changes. Okay, so you click on create new, then I'm gonna block out the person's name and their email for privacy purposes. So you will put in their name where it says here, and you will put in the email. Then you would click on this drop down menu here. You would select confirm, and then you would click on save changes. Okay, and it's saved. And now you see how this 0 under this email list, how it turned into a 1. That's because I added that person's email into this email list here I did that manually. So that's the process of basically adding that new subscriber into the email list. So if you're using one of Builderall's lead capture pages and you didn't create the email list beforehand, this is how you would add that lead's email to your email list. Okay, so that was how to add a new subscriber to an email list inside of MailingBoss. Now I'm going to show you how you can get unlimited email marketing forever. Okay, so first let's look at some other platforms that also offer email marketing. Here you have Aweber. Now if you have 500 to 2,500 subscribers, you have to pay $29 per month. Now if you have over 2,000 to 5,000 subscribers, you have to pay $49 per month. And if you have 10,000 to 25,000 subscribers, you have to pay $149 per month. Now, as you can see, this is kind of expensive for someone who is just starting out. Now, also with GetResponse, if you have 5,000 subscribers, you have to pay $49 per month. Now, if you have a list size of 10,000 subscribers, you have to pay $165 per month. Now, if you have 100,000 subscribers, you have to pay almost $1,200 per month. So the best way to get unlimited email marketing forever is MailingBoss. Now, MailingBoss, see, you have unlimited email marketing forever, and if you scroll down here, you get to see everything that is included inside of MailingBoss. You see, it shows everything that is included as you scroll down the page, and it is a one-time fee of $50 for a lifetime account for unlimited email marketing. Now, this is for limited time only. I'm not really sure how long this is going to last. As I said in my previous video, email marketing is really important. It helps you to build a relationship with your leads. So here you have, with the MailingBoss, you have lifetime MailingBoss account, private Facebook group, unlimited subscribers, unlimited sending. You have all the features, all the video training, all the templates. You have everything here for a one-time payment of $50. So if you scroll down to the bottom of the page where the frequently asked questions are, one of them is here. They are planning on changing the monthly fee and the limit of the subscribers. Now, if you purchase this now, you will not be affected by any changes that MailingBoss is planning on making. So you guys should really check this out. It is a one-time fee of $50 for a lifetime account of unlimited email marketing. Okay, so this is the inside of MailingBoss. So here you have your email list. If you click here, it gives you access to your list. You click on Tools. You have access to your tools. You can sync your subscribers here. You can split your list here. You have access to your campaigns here, your email regular, that's your email broadcast. You have your email sequence, that's your autoresponder. You have custom tags, and you have a workflow here. The workflow is something new that they added. You have your drop-down menu here for templates, domains, your automation, your list. So you also have a drop-down menu here. Also, when you guys sign up for the MailingBoss, you not only get unlimited email marketing forever, but you also get a 30-day trial on the Builderall platform. Now, if you're not interested in trying out the Builderall platform, that's fine. You still get the unlimited email marketing forever if you make the purchase right now, today. Okay, so click the link below the video. Check this out. This is for limited time only. So you pay a one-time fee of $50 and you get lifetime access for unlimited email marketing forever. You have access to unlimited subscribers, unlimited sending. Now, if you guys have any questions, comment below the video. Let me know. And like this video, subscribe, And click the link below the video. Make sure you guys check this out because this is for limited time only. And I'll see you guys in the next video.